This one is going to be very, very fresh. I tested it yesterday. Dofo can see is the greatest palm wine ever in the cook. You, that your head is not. Hey! Greetings, future queen of Eco Kingdom. You met us well. We were on our way to Dafokansi's bar to get the sweetest palm wine ever to celebrate your union.
Greetings, my prince. There will be no need for the merriment. I came for a different reason.
State it. In as much as it will be interesting to my hearing.
I had a discussion with Chika, and I think she made.
Yes.
I cannot say yes to you.
No. We will take care of it. We will take care of it. Please, do not allow this thing to spoil our mood. Let us go to Dafokansi's place. He's waiting for us already. Let's go. Hey! Chifu!
Chisom.
Yes, father.
Get me my walking stick. Chisom, sit down. Your sister told me you went out earlier in the day to see the prince.
Yes, father.
That means you have accepted his proposal. Yes, sir. The prince should be the 6th suitor that came seeking for your hand in marriage, which you refused. When do you want to get married? Is it at your old age, or don't you want to give us grandchildren?
I'll get married at the right time, father. The man I want to get married to is not ready yet.
Awesome. The man is not ready. And you want to get married at the right time. When is the right time, if not now? Onye adro ready, will you onye the ready? Onye adro ready, will you onye ready? Such opportunity comes only but once in someone's life. Prince seeking for your hand in marriage is an opportunity for you that I will not want you to miss. It's a life-changing opportunity for you, and you better accept it for your own good. It means well for you. I want to go and see my friend. When your mother returns, tell her I went out. You push, you make sure that my food is really fine. You hear me?
I brought you here because I want us to talk. You see, I'm a man of peace. I love peace, I sleep and eat and wake up with peace. As you can see, I am here alone. No guards. Because I want us to talk like gentlemen. I have made to understand that you are the reason Chisom has refused to say yes to my proposal. Dikeh, I have come for us to talk and come to an agreement. I love her. I want to make her the queen of Echo Kingdom. I mean, my queen. Dikeh, please, let her go.
My prince, you've spoken well. What you seek for is not in my hands. And I don't have a say on this. I think she knows what she wants.
Dikeh. Dikeh. I understand. Don't worry. I will use the language I believe you will understand too. I will do that.
Here I go. Thank you.
Obina,
Mother.
you are sleeping right. You are in there sleeping away your inheritance.
Mother, I do not understand.
I will never forgive you. If out of your carelessness, this throne is taken away from you. If Chisom is not complying, get another maiden. Make her a bride. Give us grandchildren. And also redeem your late father's image, Obina.
Mother, I've heard you.
You have heard me. Continue sleeping.
She only listens to one person.
Dikeh, right?
Yes. Go and tell the prince to talk to Dikeh. Dikeh will let her go.
This is the reason I am here. Do you know why? Because you are very, very smart and beautiful. You know, sometimes I wonder why my friend is not looking at your direction. Anyways, it is obvious. I did not mean to say that. Thank you for your suggestion. You look even more beautiful when you're angry.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. I blame the prince for not noticing my beauty. For not noticing how beautiful I am.
Any other thing I can do for you. But for this, I cannot.
Dora, please. You know what this means to me. You know what I am talking about. It's my future we are talking about. Please, Adora.
You don't understand.
Adora, please.
Dikeh, you know you're a very great one. And this is a life-changing opportunity. I will not reject it if I were you. Not even for a handful of minutes.
Oyema, money is not everything.
Oh, come on.
Dikeh, nothing worth dying for. Everything in life has a price.
My friends, what kept you behind? This call for celebration. It's call for celebration.
Onyema. Onyema. Go and order for the sweetest palmwine in this eco kingdom.
Hey.
Because victory is sweet. Onyema, I said victory
is sweet. My prince, in short, His Royal Majesty. Igwe.
Onyema, say it again.
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Victory
is sweet.
Eco Kingdom. Victory.
All hail the Queen of Eco Kingdom. Soon, all these errands that you are going for yourself will stop.
What are you talking about? I've made it clear to your friend that I'm not interested in you. Dikeh is the only man after my heart, and him alone will I call my husband.
Wait. You may be right, and at the same time be very, very wrong. Let me break this news to you. We offered your man money, and he accepted without pressure. The painful part of it was when he was denying you. Should have come and see. This one, a daughter of Ifama. I was only playing with her heart. I don't. Dikeh. Playing with the maiden's heart is evil. No, well, I don't want to keep my prince waiting. I am on my way to Dofo-Kansi's house to get the freshest and sweetest wine to celebrate your union. Victory is sweet. Mimi. Victory is sweet. Mimi.
This is not true.
So that's how much you love me. You could not say no to the presence of her. I hate you. Stay away from me. I don't ever see you again. I hate you.
Money cannot buy my love for Dikeh.
I did what I did for us. I cannot see myself loving another maiden other than you.
Then let me be with the one my heart beats for. If you claim you love me that much.
There is no picture without G. I love you so much. I want you and I to lead Eko. I want us to lead Eko together.
What are you going to do now? To pick up the broken heart.
Chisom, you have cried enough already. Please put yourself together.
Did you fail me, Chika? You failed me.
It is alright. At least, when one door closes, another one will open. Stop crying.
Look for me. I will end it all.
Stop saying that.
hurts the fact that I never liked Chisom, considering all the troubles that she might have caused. But I would never wish her dead.
What baffles me the most is, I mean, how could Prince Obinna kill Chisom? Huh.
I pray that the gods of our land expose Chisom killer.
I pray so.
I'll make her my bride, Cynthia. What I feel for her cannot be traded for gold or silver. I love her. She's my heart, she's my hope, she's my everything. And you want me to give you all of this? No. Please. Here's the money. The only thing that will separate me, Dikeh, from Chisom is death.
And that I will give you. That will I give you. You dare me. You dare challenge me, you son of a commoner. Look at you. Because I even give you something to change your world and your life, and you cannot appreciate it. But you're here standing before me talking nonsense. Listen, I am Prince Obinna, the crown prince of Eku Kingdom. Whatever I want, I get, and if I don't get it, nobody, I mean no one from this kingdom will get it. I will kill Dikeh! Dikeh! I will kill you. Knows the best. I'm sorry. You have already done that which is there, Obinna. I will fight you. Do not let this over, Obinna. I will fight you. I will fight you. I will fight you.
the perpetrators of this act will not go unpunished. I will not rest until they are brought to justice. I will not leave this world without you. You can see my life. My world is empty. My world. My life. Please come back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Please, what do you have to say? There's a problem.
Oh no, I don't know what he is talking about.
But my prince, let me ask you, was there anything like fight with Dikeh over Chisom? I mean, anything like, I don't know, please tell me the truth. Confide in me.
Oh no, Prince Obinna killing a maiden because he refuses to marry him is bad. It's bad. But seriously, you that is asking me this question, have you forgotten that I am a replica of my father? The blood that runs through my father's vein is the blood that I have in me. It's the blood that I carry. You know, my father cannot hurt a fly. I am a peace-loving person. I love peace. I eat peace. I sleep and I wake up with peace. How can I now?
My prince, a man that kills another and is exposed by another person shall be given 3 days to prove his innocence. And after he is unable to do that, he shall be banished out of the land of evil. Please, my prince, confide in me and tell me the truth, because I'm here to protect you from all these elders. Please, is there anything I need to know that you don't tell me? Please, so I can protect your interest. I know your father, and the blood of your father is truly in your vein. While I was too close to your father, every secret was made open to me. Please, my prince, let me know all, so I can protect your interest. I believe you, but I need to know everything about this. Please, my prince. Biko. Hi. Ewa pano no na.
Caught a fly. Left alone kill Chisom.
My instinct still tells me that Prince Obinna is not responsible for Chisom's death.
We all know that Prince Obinna is a good person, but the heart of man is evil, especially when it comes to matters of the heart. You know, anything can happen.
Especially when it comes to the matters of the heart. So what are you saying in essence?
That Prince Obinna killed Chisom.
Ask her.
So, you want to get my mouth, right?
Because Prince Obinna did not fall for her. Let's go.
Obinna! Have you seen the shame and disgrace you brought upon this family? I can no longer walk freely in my kingdom. People sees me now as an evil woman. because of your stupid action. Obina, let me ask you. Is love by force? Answer me.
Mother,
Shut up, let me finish. Is loving someone a do or die affair? I told you to look for another maiden and get married to. You totally refused. Will you shut up? I said shut up. If you know what is good for you, go and correct your mistakes and make things right. Your late father, who happens to be my husband, will be very much disappointed at you.
Onyema, believe me, I did not kill her.
My prince, did I hear you say, believe you?
Yes.
How on earth do you expect me to do that?
Because you're my friend. If no one else should believe me, Onyema, you should. Because you know me very well.
My prince, things happens. Okay? Things happens. And any desperate person can do the unthinkable. Now, let me ask you. Did you threaten Dikeh? Did you? Answer me.
Yes, I did. But
Hey! Hey! Obi! You threatened Dikeh. That is it. If you can do this, that means I am not safe.
Onyema,
You are calling me. My prince, if you know what is good for you, go and clean yourself off this mess. Because as for me,
Onyema,
I'm out of here. Hey!
Chisom is gone. Crying yourself will not bring her back. Please put yourself together.
my only sister is dead. Who will I call my sister now? Who will I call my sister?
I am here. You're my sister. And I'll always be here for you. Please, stop crying. Stop crying. I'll show you everything will be okay.
Dikeh. Dikeh, I know I've crossed your path in so many ways. Please, I am not like that. Trust me, those are mere words. I want you to help me keep everything behind. Let it go. Because in this situation, I can't do anything. I can't help myself. My brother, You're the only one that can... You're the only one that can bring me out of it. I can't bring myself out of it. Please. I never meant any of them.
Prince Obinna, if not for the blood of royalty that flows through your veins, I would have said something you will not like. Excuse me.
House? Who is there? Greetings.
You murderer! What are you doing here? I am asking you, what are you doing here? Have you come to kill the rest of us? I'm asking you! Have you?
Shida, that's enough. Get rid of yourself. My prince, pardon her manners. You know, what has happened, and women are always very emotional with things like that. We have found ourselves in. Huh?
Master, please. Please, I am the one that's supposed to be apologizing to you. I did not kill Chisom. Yes. I want you to please follow me to see the elders. I want you to tell them that I am innocent. I could not have killed the maiden I love.
My prince, I am not in any position to decide who is innocent. The elders will decide.
I know. Yes, but with your help, I believe they will declare me innocent.
My prince, I was busy with my wife. I'm still consoling my wife inside. Sorry.
My sister, of all the maidens in this kingdom, what was so special about Chisom? Now, look at the disgrace he brought his family. But he said he's innocent for the allegation. My sister, I can't tell. It's only the elders of the who has the final say. But as of then, I pity upon him. Look at how gentle and handsome he is. Who could believe that Prince Obinna could hurt a fly, left alone woman.
My sister. I was even dying for him. Prince Obinna. Bro, I just pray the God save him. God.
Chidalu is on the ground.
What happened to her?
Chidalu, I don't know. Chidalu, what is it? Chidalu. Chidalu. Chidalu.
Let's take her inside.
Inside.
Should I go and call a camera?
I'll go and call a camera.
Let's go inside. Let's take her inside.
Chidalu. Chidalu.
Hey, Chidalu.
Chidalu. Hey. Hey.
Chidalu.
Dikeh, the truth is, I believe that Obinna is innocent. He could not have killed the only maiden that he loves so much. I believe him.
Are you aware that I did not deny threatening Dikeh? He cannot even prove his innocency. Just imagine that he cannot. So it is very hard to believe whether he's guilty or not.
No, Che. Obinna is my very good friend. I know him too well. He could not have killed Chisom.
The decision to declare him innocent lies in the hands of Uno and Iche Ude. I advise you better go and meet them now.
But you are an Iche?
Yes, I'm an Iche. Have you forgotten that we have Uno? Go and see Uno. Go and see Uno before it's too late. Because I did not tell you. Try. See Uno.
So, what is your usefulness in the palace?
No one believes I didn't do it. Even Onyema, my best friend,
do not believe that I'm innocent.
If no one believes you,
I do.
You do?
Yes, my prince. I know you did not kill Chisom.
Then please, let's go to Onowo's place, so that you tell him that I am not guilty, please.
No, my prince, not so fast. Going is not a problem. But you see, my prince, there's something I want to show you. Let's go to your chambers. Come with me. Let me show you something. Let's go. Come.
prince! My prince! My prince!
May the gods be praised.
What happened?
Huh?
Why are you dressed like this?
No, no, I didn't do anything. Though it's almost happened.
We need to see Dikeh. There is no wisdom in letting you go through this alone. Your pain is my pain. Your glory, my glory. True friends stand by each other, even at the darkest moment. I believe you are innocent. I do.
Then let us go to Onowu's place, so that you will testify that I am innocent. I make peace. I keep peace. I am not a killer. I can't kill.
My prince, me believing that you are innocent, it does not mean that the elders or the villagers will. Dikeh is our only hope. We have to see him.
Let me go and dress.
Please, please. Should I come and help you?
Don't worry. Dikeh. Dikeh, this is the 40th night I'm visiting you over this issue. I'm innocent. I have no hands in Chisom's death. Please, I want you to follow me to the elders and tell them that I did not kill Chisom. Please.
Dikeh, he is right. Obinna could not have killed Chisom. Please, we have to put our differences behind us, put our hands together and fetch Chisom killers. But before that, we have to make sure that he is declared innocent. Please.
Let him prove his innocence before the elders.
Oh, Dikeh. Dikeh, how many times will I tell you that I did not do it? What do you want me to do to prove to you that I did not kill Chisom? I must not go to the elders to tell them or to prove to them that I, Prince Obinna, did not have hands in Chisom's death. What do you want me to do to prove to you that I did not kill Chisom? What do you want?
Dikeh. The only proof we have now is you. You, Dikeh. Nobody else will believe us except you come with us. Please. Obi, our last hope is on the gods. You can see that he is not with us in this. Let us go. Let's go.
Well, I do not make out any meaning out of what you two just said. I was expecting that you people will come with a proof of your innocency.
And then, not stories.
Oh no. Please. Let us consult the gods. I believe they will certainly tell us the truth. Please.
Oh no. What Onyema said is true. He's right. Please, let us consult the gods on this issue. Let's seek their face and see what they will say at this point. I believe they will help us.
Yes.
Please, I believe they will help us.
Yes.
Well, my prince, Obinna, your father was my very good friend. Outside being the Onowu of Eko. Before he left us, he confided in me to take good care of you. Well, I've done what you two suggested. But the chief priest said, the gods are wise. And I do not know what the wisdom of the gods got to do with the death of Chisom. To be honest with you, my son, the prince, my hands are tied at this point.
Oh no. No.
My hands are tied. I wish I could do something.
My prince, I absolutely believe you didn't kill my sister. And I'm sure you know no one else believes you did not. I have a plan. I'll be thinking.
Let me hear it. What is the plan?
Marry me before the end of today and be crowned as king. Afterwards, you can forget about everything and your throne will still remain for you forever.
God! God! My fate will be decided tomorrow. My fate will be decided tomorrow. You are the only person I know that would have vindicated me from this. Because you and I know very well. Jesus, you and I know very well that I am not responsible for your death. The only person that would have vindicated me from this Jesus is you. you. The only person that would have saved me from this whole thing. From this telling people the truth that I did. I, Prince Obinna, did not kill you. It's you, Jesus. Yes, I know. Jesus. I know you're hearing me. You're dead. Yes, you're dead. Your body is the one here. Your body is the one here, G. I know, but your spirit is still alive. Your spirit is still moving. G, you and I knows very well that I am not responsible for your death. I was not the one that killed you. I was not the one that killed you. Please. Jesus, if I knew that my coming to you will bring about your death, Jesus, I would have allowed you. Oh yes, I would have allowed you to live your life. I would have loved you. I wouldn't have come asking you to be my bride, to even be the queen of a kingdom. I would have allowed you to live your life. Jesus. I would have gone for other maidens. I wouldn't have come to you. That's why. I didn't kill Chisom, you know. Chisom, you know I didn't kill you. Please, Chisom, talk to them. Tell them. Anyhow you can do it. Anyhow you want to do it. I don't know how you do it. I don't know. Anyhow.
Stop! As the custodian of our tradition, by the power and authority vested on me as Onowu of Eku Kingdom, you are hereby.
Idris is innocent. Huh? Yes, he is.
Oh.
Please, I have one full moon to take over the throne of Eku. Or I'll lose it to another royal family. Chisom, I like you. I love you so much. Your beauty makes my hair stand. I want you in my life. Just say yes and I will come with my people to do your traditional rites. Please.
So it is all about the throne, right? Please, give me a little more time. Let me think about it.
Chisom, no time. No time. The important thing is that, Chisom, I love you. Not just loving you. My heart beats for you. I want you in my life. Just do this for me and you will not regret it. You will forever live to remember it. Please say yes. Just say yes. You can say it now. And everything will start now, please.
Fine. Let me put myself together. Please, I'll get back to you.
You'll get back to me?
Yes.
You promise?
I said I'll get back to you.
What is this happiness on your face for?
The Prince of Eku Kingdom. My dream man. The love of my life. Hey, I love him so much. I saw him on my way coming to this place.
Calm down, my friend. What if you've seen someone already?
Then that person will have to give way for me. And I can count on you for that.
What are friends for?
I trust you.
I will do anything for you.
I know.
The soon to be Queen of Eku.
You can say that again. You can say that again. The prince is all mine. And mine alone.
Me, I can't wait for that day to come.
I know.
That's all I want, nothing else.
I'm so happy. It's so cute.
I'm happy for you, my dear.
So, this is the reason Dikeh is rejecting my advances. Okay. Chisom, I will deal with you for collecting my man from me. I will so deal with you. Chisom. take this substance. When you get home, in a place where no one can set eyes on you, call her name 3 times. Say your wish, then throw it to the...
Is that all?
I'll do just that.
You took away the only man I ever loved without minding how I feel. Without considering my feelings. The prince was the only man I ever loved. You took him away. Chisom. I hate you. I hate you with passion. I hate you with my last blood. You took my happiness away. As from today, you will never be happy. I am throwing this thing away. I throw your life away. I throw you away without looking back. The prince is the only one that I have ever loved. But no, you don't care. So right now, I am taking away your life for good. I hate you, Chisom. You're gone. I hate you. I hate you, Chisom. What just happened here?
So it's been you all this while?
No.
Oh! Chidalo. So because of a suitor that had no interest in you,
Hey.
you took away your sister!
Chidalo! You took away your sister's life!
We've heard it all. Chidalo. You are hereby banished from a kingdom. And for any reason, your 2 legs shall touch this land. You will be sacrificed to the gods.
I'm sorry.
Take her away. She's cursed. Take her away. Hey. My prince. My prince.
Mama is going.
Maz, please stop thinking and let's move on. I promise I will make sure you and your wife does not lack anything. And for your children, I will make sure you will not feel their absence again. Please.
Let me also apologize for what happened. Thank you for your concern.
It's okay. Like I promised, and like I said, it's in the past. Let's move on. I will get back to you soon. God's will. Thank you.
I'm the most happiest maiden in this village. After all said and done, the gods has finally vindicated Prince Obinna.
Hey, I cannot wait for the coronation tomorrow.
Me too. Oh, that reminds me. Please, when you're going, remember to come and call me so we can go together.
I'll call you. I'll call you.
I have to go now. My mother must be waiting for me. I'll see you tomorrow.
Sorry, my prince. You scared me. I'm sorry.
What are you doing? Are you the owner of this farmland?
My prince, I could not stand the humiliation of your banishment.
It's all over now. It's all over.
Yes.
The gods, I thank you all for vindicating me out of this. Out of this shame. Out of this banishment. They accepted it.
Yes. Yes, they have to.
Because of our land. Oh, I praise you. I praise you.
Hey. My king.
King Obinna.
Special advisor on all matters.
Nsofu. Onyema.
My king.
I have a surprise for you.
Is it food? Go and bring it.
What if it's something more refreshing?
Hey!
Something more beautiful. And
Hey!
I will use hand and
my king. Special advisor to the king on all matters.
Onyema.
My king.
Where did you get this palm wine?
From the same place. Door for Kansi.
This one is Unjene Meme.
Mimi.
I can't still believe that an orphan maiden that stooped so low to
to steal just for food. A maiden we almost stoned to death is who the prince is considering for a wife.
See, Okolo, it baffles me a lot because my father told me that the ways of the gods is not the way of men. Something is wrong.
Yes. And that thing is what I want to see.
And me too.
Nah,
I crown you, Obinna, Ojadike, King of Eku Kingdom.
Wait.
Eku people, thank you all for finding me worthy to be your king. My late father left a good legacy, but I promise you all, I will be better than my father. Ojadike, Eku is known for peace, and in peace we shall dwell forever. Eku is known for fruitfulness. We shall harvest the highest harvest in this land. For the future of Eku is bright, and the hope it's certain. With the bright future of Eku and certainty, I present to you my queen.